Flipgrid is a tech tool that a lot of people have been using for a long time, but that I have not ever used in my classroom. But since this class have decided that I think I could use it in my classroom. So very easy to use. You just go to My Grids, and then you can add a new grid, create grids, share the ones you've made. So if I choose math, my topic, I have two in here, the one that comes with it and then one I made. It says create and solve your own story problem using Pythagorean's theorem. I just have to share that out with my students. I get a unique code. I can either just copy the code, send it to a team. I would use it probably to share on my Google Classroom or my Remind app. Then my students would simply record themselves and submit their videos, and they could comment back and forth with their classmates or with me. A really great feature about Flipgrid is that the students can use the whiteboard theme, so they can show what they're thinking by drawing out the story problems and solving them that way. Flipgrid lines up with the ISTE standard for educational leaders 1D, which states cultivate responsible online behavior, including safe and ethical and legal use of technology, because the students would have to make sure that they are being appropriate and safe online, as well as 2E, which is that educational leaders can share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other educational leaders. So I could use what I've learned through my use of Flipgrid and share that with other ed leaders in my building. I think it would be really cool for me to use right now, especially during this virtual learning, because I could see my students and my students could see their peers and talk back and forth. So a great way to get started is for me to record the response and then share the topic with my students so they can see me see how I would answer the question, and then they can participate as well.